We're like going full blast on these things. You excited, Emmett?
Yeah.
We're going on some roads, man. We're gonna have some fun. All right. You ready, Emmett?
Yep.
All right, ready. Gotta get money. This is awesome. It's just Emmett and me and one tour guide. You know, we're saving like 500 bahts. Pretty cool. Struggling to turn around. You go that way, then you go this way. We're here for a photo. Woo! Almost died. Don't let go of your brakes, folks. Ready, Emmett? Part of the tour is to go see these animals that we've never seen before. What is this thing? This thing is huge. Whatever this thing is. It's like a half raccoon, half bear. So it's called a Bearcat, is what they said. I just gave him some food. I don't know. It looks like a raccoon.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a goat, I guess. What'd you see, Emmett? We found a chicken and a bucket, and all we need is a mop. I'm pretty sure the great philosopher Nicki Minaj once said that somewhere in one of her songs. Chicken, bucket, and a mop. We made it back safe and sound, yo. We are back in our hotel. All right. That was something. So, the guy is super nice. We paid for 45 minutes. He gave us an hour and a half. And took us to off-roading places. Negotiated terms for our next elephant excursion. Really nice guy. We're gonna go get ready, and then we're gonna go check out some elephants and ride them like a horse. It's gonna be so much fun riding this elephant horse. That's what the picture showed. You ride the elephant.
We are headed on an adventure right now. We're going to see some elephants on the beach.
Okay.
Hello.
The receipt. It's not a bad deal. So 4,000 baht is just like $100. Per person, it's 1,000 baht, which is 30 bucks. You get to swim with an elephant for 30 bucks. And for all of us, a little bit, like 120. So that's actually kind of not a bad deal. You get to ride it and all that fun stuff. Feed it bananas.
So the bananas we paid extra for, and also a photographer, because we're gonna be probably so busy with the elephants that it just makes sense to pay extra.
I want me to be seen on the video too. She's not the only famous one. I'm famous too, you know.
Okay.
For other reasons. I can't tell you why though. It's a Toyota tuk-tuk, I think. Homemade tuk-tuk. All right, so they are going backwards now, which
That is some
is
skill.
all right, but you know. One of them. I see him. There he is. Right there. Hey, look. Majestic. Come on. Don't be scared, Adia. Oh, this is unbelievable. Hold on. Now.
Our kids are on an elephant. That is wild.
Got a whole film crew for 10 bucks. Look at that. That's epic.
Abak.
Woo.
Oh. Woo. Abak.
Wow. That's so crazy.
All right, another tuk-tuk. Just crazy.
We're gonna put it on our night.
Picture, Adi, show it to me again. Wow.
That's amazing. Wow. I'm
If
so
only
thankful.
if only American tourism was like this. Free pictures, free taxis. That'd be so nice if American tourism was like that. Everything free, included. Hello, welcome to Tiger Kingdom. Dude's about to get eaten alive. But you got to get him out of the pool, right? Nice little Thai snack, you know? It is raining outside, guys.
Oh my gosh, they're so amazing.
I think it's hilarious how these tigers are fighting. They're brother and sister, like these two. Always fighting and annoying,
Attacking each other.
attacking each other, biting each other, scratching
they
each
don't
other.
bite each other. They don't scratch each other.
No, they do bite each other.
Are you going to believe me or are you going to believe her?
I scratch it.
First, me.
I've
Obviously.
never seen them bite each other.
I see them bite each other all the time. You're not allowed to touch the tiger's head, only the butt and the tail. You could also do cheetahs,
Smallest.
giant ones, and little baby ones. We're gonna go touch a baby one.
They also didn't have any newborn ones, so they only had the smallest one available. That's what we're gonna do.
Touch the little ones. They're safe. All right, we just put everything in our lockers right there. And now we're gonna walk to the tiger area. No bags, no luggage, no sticks, no nothing allowed, just your phone. So we gotta go wash our hands real quick before we touch these animals. So we have to take off our shoes to go in there.
Aria.
Okay,
Hello.
Hello.
we got inside. It's gonna be the first brave one to touch behind the theme. After all that tiger business, I'm gonna go go-karting per Emmett's request. That's what he wants. He wants to go go-karting, so. Okay, and look at Emmett's face. He is so excited right now. Yeah, our taxi driver was correct. This isn't some rinky-dink go-karting place. Our taxi driver said we go this way. All right, we were going the wrong way. We're gonna go this way. This place looks epic. Those are some pretty sweet go-karts.
Break down my walls, but I won't rise again. 'Cause I stand tall in my environment. How could I ever close my eyes as they silence sins? They try to take me down with their violence.
We're about to race. Emmett's so excited. Look at this. Ready? Look at the girls get to wear these hairnets. I get one too. There we go. Emmett, we got hairnets. Look at that.
Thank God it's
Aria.
slowly. Red
Emmett gets a white one. So this is legit, guys. To wear special shoes. Those are racing shoes. Okay, what are we doing?
So we're gonna go go-karting with a two-stroke,
Two-stroke.
100cc.
They were complaining that we can't do it. Okay, I'm gonna go first.
Break down my walls, but I will rise again. 'Cause I stand tall in my environment.
Alright, we just got done racing. First off, this is the weirdest male sign I've ever seen. Male. And then secondly, let's look at the girl sign. Theirs is at least a little bit better. So, not bad. Our dude just looks weird, man. Creeper.
And just like that, another adventure comes to an end. From taming the trails on ATVs to standing face to face with a lion. From chilling with elephants to burning rubber on the go-kart track, Thailand was a movie and we lived every frame. But the credits haven't rolled yet, because the next adventure is always around the corner. Stay wild, stay unstoppable. See you in the next one.